We saved the best happy birthday for last. This happy is 2 levels up from the other happies. The first boost is that it's a low 2 on the A string. To find a low 2, let's start by placing our first finger on the A string. This is B. To play C, place your second finger on the A string right next to your first finger. Try tapping your second finger like this. The second boost is that it starts on an up bow. Place your bow on the string near the tip to start up bow and move it toward the frog. Now play C, C, B. The next note is G. Like the last time we played B to G, let's tap our third finger on the D string after we play B. Now let's add the G. Don't forget to start up bow. The last 2 notes in the song are A and G. A is an up bow and G is a down bow. After you play the up bow A, rock your bow to the D string to play G. Let's try it together. Since the last 3 notes in the song are G, A, G, we can keep our third finger on G while we rock our bow to A and then tip the bow back to G. Let's try line 4. Now let's put the last 2 lines together, starting from Happy Birthday, that jumps from low D to high D.